Performs routine duties in cleaning and servicing of guest rooms and baths under supervision of housekeeping supervisor. Room attendant promotes a positive image of the hotel to guests and must be pleasant, honest, friendly, and should also able to address guest requests and problems. Room attendant should maintain complete knowledge of and comply with all housekeeping departmental policies and also the hotel's standards. Additionally, maintain complete knowledge of correct maintenance and use of housekeeping equipment. Greeting guests and responding to queries. Enters and prepares the room for cleaning. Dusts the room and furniture. Changing bed linen and making beds. Replenishes guest room and bath supplies. Cleans the bathroom. Cleans the closet. Vacuums and racks the carpet. Checks and secures the rooms. Replenish amenities according to the operational standards. Deliver and retrieve items on loan to guests, for example iron and ironing boards. Ensure security of guest rooms and privacy of guests. Perform rotation cleaning duties, for example steam clean carpets, spring cleaning, super cleaning etc. as required. Cleans guest bathroom, bedroom floor, and corridor. Anticipate guests' needs, responds promptly and acknowledge all guests, however busy and whatever time of day. Maintain positive guest relations at all times. Be familiar with all hotel features and local attractions to respond to guest inquiries accurately. Resolves guest complaints, ensuring guest satisfaction. Restocking beverages and food items in the minibar. Monitor and maintain cleanliness, sanitation, and organization of assigned work areas. Empty trash containers and ashtrays. Remove all dirty terry and replace with the clean ones to the designated layout. Remove soil, dirt, soap buildup, and hair from bathroom mirrors, vanity, sink, toilet, shower walls, bathtub, shower curtain and floor. Replace facial, toilet tissue and bathroom amenities in correct amount and location. Inspects condition of bathrobes and replace damaged ones. Reporting any technical issues and maintenance needs. Remove dirty bed linen and make up bed with clean linen. Replace laundry bags and slips. Cleans closets and door tracks on checkout rooms, removing dust and debris. Ensures correct amount and placement of hangers, extra blanket, pillow, and luggage rack. Checks dust and polish of all furniture. Realigns furniture to the floor plan. Responsible for replenishment of guest complimentary water. Responsible for the cleanliness and maintenance of his work area. Responsible for the hotel property in the work area. Attends to guest calls, guest requests, guest complaints in the area assigned to him. Authorized to enter in guest rooms for cleaning and providing turn-down services as per requirement. Responsible for following the standard operating procedures. Responsible for achieving and exceeding the guest satisfaction score. Update status of rooms cleaned on assignment sheet. Return and restock cart at end of